How to access ESPN Plus on Roku TV. Step number 1, connect your Roku TV to the internet. Ensure your Roku TV is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or wired internet connection. Step number 2, access the Roku home screen. Press the home button on your Roku remote to navigate to the main menu. Step number 3, open the Roku channel store. Scroll down and select streaming channels to enter the channel store. Step number 4, search for the ESPN app. Use the search function to type ESPN. Locate the ESPN app in the search results. Step number 5, add the ESPN channel. Select the ESPN app and choose Add Channel to install it on your Roku TV. Wait for the installation to complete. Step number 6, launch the ESPN app. Return to the home screen and find the ESPN app in your channel list. Open the app to proceed. Step number 7, log in or subscribe to ESPN Plus. If you already have an ESPN Plus subscription, select Login and enter your credentials. If you don't have a subscription, you can sign up directly through the app or via the ESPN Plus website. Step number 8, access ESPN Plus content. After logging in, navigate to the ESPN Plus section within the app to browse and stream exclusive content.